Good evening everyone, my name is Herman Pareros and I'm Group 15 and this is my report, the Quasi Law Enforcement Agency. Law Enforcement Department or SBMA. The Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority or SBMA is the operating and implementing arm of the government of the Philippines for the development of 260 square miles or 670 square kilometer area of Subic Bay Preferred Zone or SBFC into a self-sustaining tourism, industrial, commercial, financial, and investment center to the generate employment opportunities. This was the former U.S. Naval Facility. Ang Subic Bay Metropolitan sa Pilipinas ay ang namamahala ay ang Subic Bay Freeport Zone na dating pasilidad ng US Naval. Ang layun ng SBMA ay gawing isang matagumpay na lugar para sa mga turismo, negosyo, at negosyante ang SBFC o ang Subic Bay Freeport Zone para lumikha pa ng mga trabaho. On March 13, 1992, the Philippine Congress passed RA number 7277 known as the Basis Conservation and Development Act of 1992 in anticipation of the pullout of the U.S. military bases in the country. Section 13 of RA 197277 created the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority or SBMA to develop and manage the freeport, which provides tax and duty-free privilege and incentives to business locators and special economic zone. Ang batas na Republic Act 7277 ay lumikha ng Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority para pamahalaan ang Subic Bay Freeport Zone o ang tinatawag na SBFC. Honorable Richard Gordon, then the mayor of the city of Olongapo, became the first chairperson SBMA based on the powers and functions prescribed in Chapter 10, Section 9 of Republic Act number 7277. The lead SBMA shall police and maintain law and order with SBFC boundaries. Si Honorable Richard Gordon noon ang mayor ng lungsod na Olongapo at naging chairperson ng SBMA. The function of following branches of LED-led SBMA are follows. The Investigation Division supervises the operations and oversees the implementation and achievement of the department objective, mission, and vision in accordance with the prescribed rules and regulation of the department and SBM as a whole, and administers police and procedures for disposition of all reported and assigned cases and other measures necessary to the ensure efficient resolution of cases. Sinasabi dito na sinisiguro ang pagsunod sa mga patakaran at maayos ang pagresolban sa mga kaso. Then, number 2, the traffic management branch naman ay pinangangalagaan ang daloy ng trapiko, iniimbestigahan ang mga aksidente at nagpapakatotoo sa korte. Number 3, the crime prevention branches plans, implements, and control the overall operation of traffic and harbor patrol branches, ensuring full compliance with existing SBMA rules and regulations. Ang crime prevention branches ng SBMA ang nagplano at nagpapatubad ng operasyon ng traffic at harbor patrol. Titiyak ang pagsunod sa mga patakaran ng SBMA. The preceding branches under the separate division of LED SBMA are tasked to perform law enforcement, physical security, and investigate function with the confines of Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Po dito, tinitiyak ang pagsunod sa mga patakaran ng SBM. Responsibly din ito sa pagpapatupad ng batas sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone, kasama na ang pag-imbestiga at pagpapanatili sa seguridad. 6 divisions of LED SBMA, Administration and Auxiliary Division and Branches. Ito po yung kwan na mamahala sa pangkalahatang operasyon at suporta. Investigation Divisions and Branches. Ito naman po yung nag-iimbestiga ng mga krimen at kaso. Patrol Division and Branches. Responsable at sa pagpapatrolya at pagpapanatili ng kaayusan. Ang Special Reaction Division and Branches naman ay tumutugon sa mga emergency at special na sitwasyon. Ang Physical Security division and branches naman ay nagsisigarado ng kaligtasan at seguridad ng mga pasilidad. Ang Community Relations Division and Branches naman, ito yung nag-uugnay sa mga SBMA at komunidad. Vision, to align Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority as one of the safe preferred zone in the country. Mission, to maintain peace and order with the Subic Bay Freeport Zone while providing professional law enforcement and security service. Values, integrity, discipline, and professionalism. EO number 340 date August 4, 2004 was issued by the then President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. This order reorganized the SBMA Board of Director and segregate the powers, function, and duties of the chairman and those of the SBMA administrator. Mr. Francisco H. Licuanan was appointed chairperson. Pagkatapos po siya, sumunod po siya kay Gordon SBMA, and Mr. Alfredo C. Antonio, former chairperson. DBA was appointed administrator SBMA in line with this order. Thank you. Thank you po sa panonood.